I'll take whatever you give. Oh, live with us in almost every. Not even at half. Fuck off. No. You're so fast, just catch.
And they couldn't connect on the deep shot. Let's see if things
Bro,
get worse.
my language should not be doing shit. They all say that.
Looking to pass. It's Bryson.
That's what I'm on. No.
Divides up. Now
Damn,
he's
yes, it is all.
wide on the left side.
And that's pick. What fuck? You're gonna be I could legit win the championship, but
Second down. Just keeps firing. He's not afraid to go deep. They'll try to blast their way.
either comes with his ass about your what?
They were able to get that one off. It'll be a
Why are you clapping your hands? You 5'9" midget. Please just catch the damn.
Catch. I love the job the quarterback does manipulating the defense with
He did nothing. No. This quarterback is getting his ass whooped. When we go home, this quarterback and me are gonna have a talk.
Throwing down the
Oh,
side. Go crazy. Help them go nuts.
let's get it kicked because it's.
Turning to the running game on first and goal. They'll take another
Please just catch.
the ball game. Jesse,
and it's in.
right here. But if you don't get,
Lost one deep down the right side.
come down with that.
And he'll prove it in inside the 20.
Everybody is just bubble core. I could show you. Ability, some nice.
Throw. Going back to the well, another
Which
deep
one?
ball. And it's caught inside the 20. He's not afraid to go deep. And he reels
What
it
a
in
fucking
inside
throw.
the 30.
What a grab. What a king. He's him.
Sent it downfield. And that pass is
Bro, he's made the most grabs ever.
off one down the sideline. Makes you
Gets a lot more fucking space.
down. And that pass is intercepted.
You know they've got firepower.
Possession now has to just flip this baby. What a
What the fuck? They actually just need to be half decent.
front, right? Really good win for
For
this
years?
club as they
So far, oh my god, the kickers fucking stuff. He's not mad
he's
as.
gonna throw deep right side. And he's got it
I
inside
don't
the
know.
40-yard
The
line.
star is just.
Looking to throw it. Takes it. Easy fire. It's on the way up. It's picked off. Lofts one high and deep. And with the 10, but they'll try it again. He'll take another shot here, pulling on this drive. And the pass is intercepted. Going the other way, and he's got room. And he hauls it in. Looking to move it through the air. And he throws another interception. His third one of the night. Takes it the other way. At the 30. Able to stay on his feet and get it happen. He uncorks one deep. At 5. Ball into the end zone, and it's intercepted. I'll try to power it in.
Oh,
And he going back to the well.
please,
Another
please.
deep ball.